Which AC/DC tire inflator is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Astro AI 110V AC/12V DC tire inflator. First up is the Astro AI 110V AC/12V DC tire inflator. This little guy caught my eye with its bright yellow color and solid reputation, priced at $41.99. If you want a reliable and fast inflation solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual power supply means you can use it at home or on the go. It pumps up to an impressive 150 psi, filling a typical car tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 5 minutes. Plus, it has a digital screen that illuminates, making it easy to read at night. With over 3,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, people love it, and for good reason. Now, some people complained about it getting hot after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, that's pretty normal for high-pressure pumps, and just letting it cool off after 15 minutes is a small price to pay for efficiency. This is perfect for you if you need a compact and powerful inflator for both home and road. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty truck tires, as it's not designed for that. Honestly, at $41.99, it's a solid investment for the peace of mind it provides. Now, if the Astro AI's heating issue concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Fordham Tire Inflator. Next is the Fordham Tire Inflator, priced at $44.99. This one caught my attention because it's compact and portable, making it great for emergencies. If you're looking for a quick and reliable tire pump, this is worth your time. What stands out here is the 14-foot power cable stored neatly inside the unit, making it easy to carry with you while driving. It delivers up to 150 psi, so it can handle most vehicles and even comes with nozzle attachment for sports gear and inflatables. Plus, it has a built-in LED light for those roadside emergencies. With over 38,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate its convenience. However, some reviews noted that it can be a bit slow with larger tires. But honestly, for the price and versatility, it's still a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you need something light and easy to handle for everyday use. Skip this one if you need a more powerful inflator for larger tires. At $44.99, it's great value if you want something portable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something heavy-duty. Product number 3, DeWalt Tire Inflator. Coming in hot is the DeWalt Tire Inflator, priced at $131.98. I was impressed by its powerful capabilities and professional grade. If you're serious about tire maintenance, this one's for you. What's great about this inflator is its high-pressure inflation mode with auto shut-off, meaning you set it and forget it. It can be powered 3 ways, via a 20V battery, 12V DC, or 110V AC, which gives you flexibility. It has a 4.6-star rating from over 18,000 users, who appreciate its robust build and performance. This is a tool that can handle not just tires, but also larger items like air mattresses. Some users found it a bit bulky and heavy compared to others. But I'll be real with you. If you want a durable option that delivers consistent performance, this is a trade-off worth making. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or have a larger vehicle. Skip this if you're only looking for a light, portable option. With a price tag of $131.98, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about tire care. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, the next one might grab your attention. Product number 4, Astro AI MC3 Tire Inflator. Next on the list is the Astro AI MC3 Tire Inflator, priced at $94.99. This one intrigued me with its 3-in-1 power supply feature, making it super versatile. If you want flexibility in inflation options, this is definitely worth checking out. This inflator can be powered by a rechargeable battery, 12V or 110V, which means you can use it anywhere. It can inflate a flat tire to 36 psi in just 5 minutes using its high-pressure mode, and it has a massive airflow capacity of 350 liters per minute for larger items. With 1,300 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's getting rave reviews for its speed and efficiency. Now, some users have mentioned that it's not as compact as they hoped. But honestly, for all the features you're getting, it's a trade-off I'm willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful inflator that can handle multiple tasks. Skip this if you need something tiny to fit in a glove compartment. At $94.99, you're getting a lot of features for your money. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, the next one will definitely catch your eye. Product number 5, Astro AI iRuin H Tire Inflator. Last but not least is the Astro AI iRuin H Tire Inflator, priced at just $28.79. This is the budget-friendly option that still delivers great functionality. If you need something reliable without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. This inflator operates through a 12V power source and has a programmable inflation feature, meaning you can set your desired pressure and let it do the work. With a flow rate of 1.23 liters per minute, it's not the fastest, but it gets the job done for smaller tires. It has over 105,000 reviews and maintains a solid 4.5-star rating, proving its worth among users. One drawback is that it must be powered by your vehicle, so it's less versatile than others. But honestly, for quick roadside fixes, it's a minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and easy option for everyday tire inflation. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty pump that can handle larger tires. At $28.79, this one's a steal for occasional use. So there you have it. The Astro AI 110V, Fordham, DeWalt, Astro AI MC3, and Astro AI iRuin H each bring something unique to the table. If you want power and flexibility, go for the DeWalt. If you're on a budget, the iRuin H is a fantastic choice. No matter which you pick, you can't go wrong with these options.